Good morning, everyone. That I am experimenting now the gamma spectroscopy, and this is the sound kind oscilloscope that I use, and this is the graph of the gamma spectroscopy with my own homemade liquid scintillator, and then some two photodiodes that detecting the confirmation of the coincidence of the gamma spectroscopy. But for now, the gam the gamma spectroscopy in my circuit is not, there is no any coincidence circuit, but I will upgrade my circuit in with coincidence circuit if the signal is attenuated in the same time manner between the two photodiodes that that I use for the preamplifier for the pole shaping is mainly I think it is a 6 dual rail amplifier in IC. It is from the scrap. Then there is the sum amplifier in there for the sum of all the signal pole shape in this board there, then summation all of it to display and feed up to the sound card. I know the radiation or the shielding, it is not good enough for a metal can. A metal can is only one thing I can do. Having a lead metal, I have no access in lead metal, and also for my financial incapability, then the radioactive source in there. The content of the radioactive source is americenium-241, strontium-90, and sodium-22, and the radioactive polonium. Then in my spectrum, there is the spectrum of this is spectrum, the gamma spectroscopy. Most of the sampling data recorded is that this the parameter. Is the parameter I use. Then most of the signal is look like this, like that way. But sometimes there is a feed of the when they interact. I don't know. Sometimes it can be noise or something. But sometimes there is a saturate of the detecting one photon. I make it as low as possible inside of the metal can is reflective when it try to scintillate or something. When the radioactive the emission of the radiation will scintillate in the liquid scintillator, it's I think it's good enough. If you can observe, there is something changes of the signal over time. Pulsing. Look like pulsing. That's all for now. If you want to know, I don't have any access to buy some sodium iodide or any solid scintillator material for this specific application, but I'm trying to alternative by means of a liquid scintillator, and But I'm trying to study the scintillator that I made when interacting in radiation. Either the brenstalom or the, brenstalom, Cherenkov radiation, or either the gamma rays interact in the scintillator. But I'm not I'm not telling that the my I'm not telling that my liquid scintillator is effective to detecting gamma rays. That's all for now for my observation. I want to see the saturation of signal of the photons. Sometimes there is a pulsing in there. Then I will export the data observation for my further analysis. Sometimes, sometimes I gather already the data, but only for analysis only. If must, I can't. That's why sometimes it saturates the signal in that way. But I'm planning to someday the gamma spectroscopy transfer in a soldered PCB to much more tight. I don't know if that noise, if there's sometimes there could be a losing connection, or sometimes there or not, or maybe the signals or the I don't know. I think or need some regulation for it, something like that. That's all for now in my these experiments. That's all for now.